Today we're going to be reviewing the Westt Torque helmet on Amazon.com. Not a helmet, it's a Westt. Comes with this kind of strap, interlocking. I guess you pull the tab to release. Comfortable. Inside over here, it's very comfortable. It's not feel cheap at all. I'll try to get you the best view on the inside so you can understand the comfort. Over here is the button right here. Over here is the button that you press in and you pull up the chin. So far, I think this helmet is pretty cool. It's very comfortable, feels good. No fogging, very little fogging, very little. But I think it's good.